guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae. Today I'm doing a haul, okay? Shop Miss A haul. I scribbled out my address in case I scribbled out my address so you guys can't see where I live. But I'm gonna be doing a Shop Miss A haul, and after this video I'm doing a full face of Shop Miss A makeup. I bought a full face besides setting spray. Only thing I forgot, I think, I'm gonna cut this open. I don't want to cut anything, but like, oh well. Bag open. Comes in big bubble wrap pouch thingy. Don't judge me, I'm fat. Ooh, bubble wrap. It's big ones. Ooh, pretty. You guys can't even see. What the shit? Sorry. Now you guys can see. This is what it looks like. Cute little sticker with the wrapping paper. Products. I did my makeup today. I didn't do a YouTube video, but I did an Instagram tutorial. Hopefully it's gonna be up by time this video's up. It's probably gonna be up way before. Ow! The tape got stuck to my hair. I got a lot of stuff. Okay, let's see what this is. I think this is the eyeshadow palette. Fuck me. Ooh, this is actually kind of cute. I might actually keep this. And most of my eyeshadow, I know it's weird because like most people have mostly like neutral browns, stuff like that. Not me. I am a colorful person, okay? So I go for colorful eyeshadow palettes, but I got this one. Let's open this up. Why do they gotta tape everything? Bro, I'm gonna have scoliosis. I am slouching like a motherfucker right now. Sorry if this is really bad lighting too, guys. I don't have professional lighting. Don't judge me. I mainly use natural lighting, but like it's winter. I think I said this before in a video, and you don't get good lighting in winter, but in a couple months we're gonna have good lighting because spring, summer, you know. Swatching some. Ooh, these actually feel nice. Ooh, but that's really chalky. Ooh. I'm gonna swatch them. Fuck, how do people do this? Oh, I did that way too close together. Frick me. You see them? They're good for browns. They're actually in for $1. I swatched all but one shade, but who cares? Don't judge me. I just licked my hand to get this off. I'm gross. I'm disgusting. This was supposed to be a natural makeup look. Is this really bad lighting? Is this? Tell me the truth. You guys see me better? Oh, that's fucking trash. Ooh, yeah. I said I wasn't gonna film on the floor, but the lighting was so bad. I like stopped the video to check to see what the lighting was like. It was like really bad, so I was, forget it. I'm just gonna film with the natural lighting. This is my version of natural makeup. I try to do natural, but I don't know why it still comes out dramatic. Why? Why can't I just be normal and do natural makeup? Jesus. You see? It's Instagram. I'm gonna blame Instagram. I bought these brushes. It's a set of two. It was $2. Not all the stuff was $1, but technically these are each $1 because it comes with 2 brushes, and I paid $2, so $1 each. Ooh, I like this. It's a really nice brush. I could use this for eyeshadow, concealer. You can use this for anything, for real. This is the AOA Studio High Def Brush E104. Okay, the other one's like a foundation brush. I wanted a good foundation brush. Oh, it comes with one of these little net thingies. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, and this is the AOA. I'm not even gonna say. It's all the brushes I got. which is 3 of them, are AOA Studio, but this is the high def brush and F4. I'm trying to do a YouTube video here. Interruptive. Oh, this is technically $1, dude. Okay, this is like one of the good purchases, and it's super soft. Oh, I could just imagine doing foundation with this. Ooh, yes. And this is the last brush. This is the F19 brush. It's the precise highlighting brush. Ooh, it's shedding a little bit. Ooh, it's shedding a lot. Like, dude, can you guys see that? You can't see that. Got 4 freaking hairs on my hand. Okay, this brush sheds a lot. I don't know if I recommend this brush because like all the bristles are coming out. Don't recommend this one. The bristles are literally falling out. And this has the potential to be a really good brush. Whatever, I'm still gonna use it if all the bristles fell out. Whatever. I got this AOA Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Soft Light. This looks like really finely milled. I don't know if there's really color to it. I'd have to try it, but I will next time I do my makeup. What is this? Oh, mascara. I don't know if they even know if this is gonna be good for lashes, for real. I just got this because it's one of those mascaras with the really skinny wand. It's called the AOA Skinny Underlash. Oh, this is for underlashes. Oh my god, it's so cute. Do you guys see this? So little. I want to try it. Oh, I'm gonna wait till I do my makeup. Next, I got this cream eyeshadow. It's I don't know how to pronounce it, but eyeshadow dual paint in the shade Coral. I don't know how good they are. I'll swatch it. Oh, okay. Kind of felt like I was burning my hand for a second. But it's cute. There's like a lighter shade and a darker shade. Ooh. See? They're like pigmented and stuff. I have to see how they really work. You know, I have to use them on my eyes to see how they really work. What is this? Oh! Lip liner. I don't know if this is good. I try to read the reviews on the stuff I was buying, but like my lazy self didn't for a lot of the stuff I bought. I just like put it in my cart and bought it. This is the AOA Wonder Lip Liner in the shade Bombshell. It's creamy. It's brown. Creamy and brown. That's all I wanted. It's gonna have to be sharpened though. Oh, it's one of those caps that don't stay on, right? When I did that, oh, this is not the one you can bite. I just broke it. I fucking hate myself, I swear. Sorry if this is bad audio, but I'm sitting here editing, right? Okay. And I was watching the clip, you know, when I bit the lip liner cap. I'm gonna show you guys what I was trying to do so I don't look so stupid. Give me a second. I got a lip liner, right? Took the cap off. Okay, with these caps, right, I can bite and they like bend. So it's like tighter and it actually fits on the lip liner better. I'm not stupid, okay? Maybe a little bit, but I'm not. Hey. Oh well. It's gonna end up falling off. I was so excited for this. Oh, it's starting to dry. And look, it looks way prettier when it's dried. You guys can see? No, you can't? I suck, sorry. This is what I was like really excited for. It's this AOA Velour highlighter. I thought it was called like something mousse highlighter, I think it is. And it's in the shade Lucky. It looks so pretty. Like this shade looks so... It is! Oh my god! Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look. This is like a cream highlighter. Boy. Do I see that? That's super pretty. This is my favorite thing so far, okay? Okay, next I got this tinted brow gel. I wanted a tinted brow gel so bad. So like I don't really have to do my brows. Like I could just like put this in and be done, you know? Okay, and this is the AOA Go Brow Fiber Gel. You know what I mean. Oh, the shade's right here. It's in the shade medium brown. Little blush. Ooh, ooh. I can't wait to try that. This is the foundation. This is the tiniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, okay, give me a second. Oh, it's called the moisturizing foundation. Oh, at least it's moisturizing. But I did read the reviews on this, and they said it stinks really bad. It does stink. How much product does it come with? Well, at least it comes with a decent amount, kind of. Is that decent? I don't know. I don't use foundation sticks. I mean, the shade's alright, which is good. Okay, and then we got eyebrow pomade. I thought I needed a new one because I thought I lost mine. But turns out I didn't. It was just hiding in the back of my makeup drawer. My neighbor's just pulled in. Damn it! She don't want her seeing me. Okay, I think this is in the shade caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel? It's like a warm brown. Okay, last I got this. I don't know. I know what I got this color, but I did not get it to like match the look and everything. This you guys remember Hush? The app does not work anymore. But I wanted this lipstick and it was on Hush. But you know, Hush don't work no more, right? So I saw it on Shop Miss A. I was like, ooh, yay, happy. So I got it. It's this orange lipstick. Why did I get an orange lipstick? I don't know, because I wanted an orange lipstick. And it's in the shade, it's this clean color Madly Matte lipstick in the shade My Tai. Don't look at me, Martha. It's literally orange, but I wanted it so bad. Don't look at me, Martha. Like, literally orange lipstick. Okay, for eyelashes, I actually did get eyelashes. I got these ones. And they're in the shade Violet. I tried to get the cutest ones I could find that were $1. They had other ones that weren't $1, but I wanted to get the dollar ones. And these are literally the cutest ones I found, and they're not even that cute. But we'll see. I also got a lash glue because I hate Duo. I hate it. And my other sister stole my Kiss one. So, and they said this is like compared to the Kiss and the like thingies. So I got it. And this wasn't $1. This is $1.88. Some of the stuff wasn't $1. It was a little bit more. And like 3 things were a little bit more than $1. This, the concealer, Martha, don't fucking look at me, Martha. Ah, Martha. Okay, taking this out the package though, because I'm not gonna be sitting here struggling. But this was $1.88. Just a clear lash glue. It's called the Super Strip Lash Adhesive. It's another AOA one. I want to see if it smells like anything. I'm weird, don't judge. Now for concealer. They have $1 concealer, the AOA. It's not the same one. This is the natural finish concealer, but they have like a tube one, and they did not have my shade, so I had to get this one. And anything I don't like, this is $1.55. It's in the shade Porcelain. So is that foundation. It says it's a medium to full coverage concealer. Oh, I put way too much on the back of my hand. I just wanted to swatch it. Damn. Oh yeah, that feels like a good concealer. Right there. I put way too much on the back of my hand, but it feels like a good concealer. I don't want my neighbors looking at me. This is a little dark. This was supposed to be the bronzer, but this is the whole reason. I'm sorry, my neighbor keeps walking back and forth. I do not want her looking at me talking to a camera right now. It's fucking weird. This is the whole reason why I went on this site in the first place. I used to have this blush, alright? Don't know what happened to it. I went to my mom's. It disappeared. So, I saw it on Shop and Say. I was like, oh, yay, I'm gonna buy it. And then that's how this whole video started, and I bought everything. Who's gonna use this? No Pot Puff. Well, I mean, people do use Pot Puff. But this is the Malibu Glitz blush, and it's in the shade Orchid, and I love this blush. It's like a berry tone blush. I'm not gonna swatch the blush. That's just weird. And then I got this for bronzer, but it is looks a little dark, if you know what I mean. I mean, I could make it work if I just use a little bit. No, it's fine. It's not that dark. This is like the shade of my Wet n Wild one. It's not gonna be too dark. And I love that these come with mirrors. Like, ow, shit, I just pinched myself. I think I got everything so full face. Oh yeah, and I didn't get primer either because I never use primer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. We are so close to 200 subscribers. We are so close to 200. So I can't speak. We are so close to 200 subscribers. Okay, all right. And click that bell so you're notified every time I post a video, because why would you want to miss one of my videos? Like, why? So click that bell, okay? Comment down below any suggestions you guys have for another video, okay? Give this video a like. I got makeup all over my hands, so like you should give this video a like just because I have makeup all over my hands, and that makes no sense, but yeah. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be in the description below. I'll also link the Shop Miss A website down below, just in case, I don't know, you want to buy something. Oh yeah, when I bought all that stuff, there was like $1 shipping. Not anymore, but there was $1 shipping. So I was like, snatch. Oh, that was gross. Tastes like toothpaste. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. That is the mess from me doing this video. Sad. Also, makeup. They're in my motherfucking scissors. I was looking for those. Makeup. Yay. Okay, bye.